Hello, this is our feasibility study document. The goals that we have for this application, since it is the first version of the project, is to have all of the very basic features that would deliver a minimum viable product for our product owners. So those goals are going to be just the basic delivery of lectures to the mobile device, saving of selected features for offline viewing, syncing selected lectures to ensure that information is always up to date, and organization of content of each lecture for easy navigation. If time permits, we would like to have a more complex indexing of lectures so they're more easily searchable. We would like to have an interactive equipment test, which is something the product owners have stated that they would like as well. We would like a more integrated search bar that would allow for easier searching. And we would also like to add a interactive map of FIU campus with particular points of interest for emergency personnel. So one of the problems that we're going to encounter is that there's nothing existing for this project. We'll be creating everything from scratch. Because of this, any design changes we make that the product owners are not okay with will involve us going back and making changes to those designs, which may hinder our actual progress in completing user stories. So one of the requirements for this project is that it needs to be cross-platform, so it needs to work on both iOS and Android devices. As such, we will be using React Native. There is two choices for us, React Native and Ionic. React Native is an industry standard. It's used by a lot of very large companies like Facebook and Pinterest, Instagram, Skype, just to name a few. React Native is a framework written by Facebook and it's maintained by Facebook. So those were some of the deciding factors for us going with React Native for this particular application. We will also be using Google Drive as a repository to host all of the lectures that need to be delivered to the mobile device. We chose to go with Google Drive because it's a simple to use API and it's also free for up to a certain amount of storage.